I installed the Vantrue N4 in my car yesterday, and it's packaged pretty neat. Got the front dash cam, has a cabin camera, and it has the rear camera. And now I'm gonna show you it in operation. Because of the side impact airbags, I opted to take it to a body shop to get them to route all my cables for me. They went up in the headliner and along over the doors all the way to the back camera right there. Very small. This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra Limited, if anybody's curious about that. So there's all three cameras. The forward-facing camera is the larger picture. The cabin camera is in the upper left corner, shows me holding the camera. And the rear camera is in the upper right-hand corner. Now, my windows, living in Arizona, all my windows are dark tinted. And so that's why the rear-facing camera is a different color. But let's just walk through these pictures. Okay, so now the main one is the cabin camera. And let me see if I can zoom on that without the camera being right in front of it. Well, I can tell you this. The camera takes a better picture than my phone does. High definition, very, very clear cameras. There's my rear view facing camera, facing my house. And there it is. Once again, that's the Vantrue N4. And I would highly recommend this. Anybody driving in high traffic areas. It protects your rear end also. In the event you do get rear-ended and have to go to court, it's all documented. It takes all the fight out of it, all the argument out of it. Vantrue N4.